Hello little artist. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Today we learn flower drawing. At first, we draw a circle shape, the middle part of the flower. Next, we draw many flower petals to make the flower more attractive. Flowers are like nature's colorful confetti. They come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Some flowers smell sweet and yummy. Other flowers have a strong, spicy scent. Parallelly, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw some small curve. Yellow color. Pink color. Blue color. Red color. Blue color. Brown color. Orange color. Blue color. Pink color. Yellow color. Orange color. Blue color. Green color. Green color. Pink color. Yellow color. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.